So I'm here on a field closing in on my experiment. I'm gonna show it to you in a while, well, in a short while. What's the plan for today? I was checking and I planted the radishes like 32 days ago. They should be ready for harvest already, so we're gonna check on them. And also, I might need to do some thinning because I planted 3 seeds into every pot. But there is like 4 pots that didn't grow anything, and there is a couple of them that grew only 1 or 2 radishes out of the 3 seeds, and that's a problem. I might need to thin the pots that grew 3 radishes and let them only be growing 2 radishes instead of the 3, so that I can then properly assess the data that's gonna be non-biased, I guess, because the pots aren't that big, and if one of them is growing 3 radishes and one of them only 2 or 1, I believe it's gonna make an impact on in some way. I don't know in which, but so that is that. So here it is, as you can see, by 5 blocks. Anyway, yeah, now I have, for example, here in these 2 there is nothing in there except for the weeds. There is 2, here is 1 with the 3 of them. There is 2, there's 1. Well, yeah, I guess here is only 1 that grew 3. Second one, third one. There isn't many of them, as I told you. And also you can see that there is a lot of weeds around it. I already was weeding it once, or well, multiple times, but one time I really like scraped the ground. I don't plan on doing it again because I'm gonna be harvesting in a few, but if I were to grow them like for 2 more weeks, I would. But I think I'm gonna be harvesting in a week. So now let's water them and thin it. Well, so much for watering. I try to water them evenly, of course. However, this is my historical first harvest. Haha. Feels nice. Feels nice. Can you see it? It's really small, but feels good. This is treatment number 5. I don't know if you were following me or following my journey, but I have 5 treatments here, different substrates. That's really the only difference between them. Feels good to be harvesting something I grew with my own hands. Oh yeah, this one was very small still. Here also, yeah, you can see this didn't even form the bulb yet, or whatever it's called. I'm taking the smallest, the smallest ones, so that, yeah, I mean, it makes the most sense to me. If it doesn't to you, then let me know in the comments why it doesn't. But it does, to me at least. So, oh damn, this is a big, oh yeah. Can you see it? It's basically, shit. It's basically the size of my thumb. Can you see it? Yeah. This is a pretty one. Anyway, yeah, that's it. That's it, thins. Now I'll just return the watering. What's it called? Watering can? I guess so. Anyway, I'm just gonna return it over there, wash my hands, and come in a few days to harvest. Let me know what you think about my experiment and if I did the right job with thinning it. I discussed it with my professor. He actually was the one to recommend me that I thin them, so I did, and we'll see the results. Hopefully it will help them. But also, if I'm gonna be harvesting it in like 5 days, I don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference. But as you saw at the time of the thinning, which was now, they weren't really all that big, so I don't think it made any difference up until now that there was 3 or 2 of them in a pot. Yeah, but we'll see about the results. Thanks for watching.